Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for Apple Mac. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. When it comes to the wide world of Forex trading, it may sometimes feel like Mac users have been left out of the equation. When it comes to trading platforms, in most cases, they are first and foremost built for Windows machines. These days, however, there are a few more options available to Mac users, with brokers offering platforms which are specifically made for Mac, and brokers who offer a browser-based platform which allows clients to access a trading portal simply through their web browsers. Not all brokers offer a suitable platform for Mac users, and a trader's search may be more complicated. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers for Apple Mac can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for Apple Mac. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection, providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade 0 and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. Coming in at number 3, we have RoboForex. RoboForex is a leading online brokerage firm renowned for its innovative and comprehensive financial services. With a global presence and a strong commitment to providing traders and investors with cutting-edge tools and resources, they empower individuals to navigate the financial markets with confidence and competence. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. In addition to the standard Forex offerings, RoboForex provides access to a wide variety of other assets, including commodities, global stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and more. RoboForex's trading instruments offers a gateway to a world of trading possibilities. They provide enticing promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for their clients. With a commitment to delivering added value, RoboForex regularly offers a variety of promotions that may include bonuses, cashback rewards, and other exclusive incentives. These promotions serve to provide traders with additional trading capital and advantages, helping them make the most of their investment strategies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the proprietary R Mobile, R Stocks, and R Web Traders. RoboForex offers a diverse range of trading account types, tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of traders, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. RoboForex has an account option for you. Their lineup includes Prime, ECN, R Stocks Trader, Pro Cent, Pro, as well as Demo and Islamic account options, which are each designed to provide unique trading conditions and advantages. RoboForex is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. Their comprehensive collection includes webinars, video tutorials, articles, and more, all designed to enhance knowledge and skills. Whether you're a novice looking to learn the basics of trading or an experienced trader seeking advanced strategies, their educational resources cater to all skill levels. By offering these educational tools, RoboForex equips traders with the knowledge and insights needed to make informed decisions and succeed in the world of online trading. At number 2 on our list is eToro. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and popular Nasdaq 100 and stockbrokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners. However, experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed, as well as a variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 ETFs, indices, and Forex pairs. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders and speeds up sharing experiences, and features advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of Forex trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. Their application is available for Android and iOS devices. The eToro retail account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders, social traders, and beginners. This account can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, Forex pairs, indices, and ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, however offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. eToro offers an exceptional trading academy with guides, videos, and articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. eToro also provides updated news and analysis, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only, Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform, and is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for Apple Mac, we have ICMarkets. ICMarkets is a globally recognized online Forex and CFD broker known for its commitment to providing traders with a cutting-edge and user-friendly trading environment. With a strong global presence and a reputation for transparency and innovation, ICMarkets offers a wide range of trading instruments, competitive spreads, and lightning-fast execution. ICMarkets offers a diverse and extensive range of trading instruments, making it a go-to choice for traders seeking variety and flexibility in their trading portfolios. They offer a comprehensive selection of assets, including Forex currency pairs, stock indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. ICMarkets provide traders with the opportunity to explore and capitalize on various market opportunities, whether you are interested in trading major or exotic Forex pairs, speculating on global stock market indices, or diversifying into commodities such as gold and oil. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. ICMarkets offers three main types of accounts, which include the cTrader Raw Spread account, the Raw Spread account, and the Standard account, and also provides demo and Islamic account options. ICMarkets is dedicated to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the financial markets. Their educational resources are a testament to this commitment, providing a comprehensive range of learning material and tools. Traders, whether beginners or seasoned professionals, can access a wealth of educational content, including webinars, video tutorials, market analysis, and trading guides. These resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, from the basics of trading to advanced strategies, risk management, and market analysis. With a strong focus on trader development, their educational resources are a valuable asset for anyone looking to expand their trading knowledge and improve their trading skills. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers for Apple Mac on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.